Our new listing in Brandon Woods in Spring Hill is better than new. It's less than a year old and it's got tons of upgrades that other new construction homes in the area do not have. Let's go check it out. Welcome to 327 Moccasin Trail in Spring Hill, Tennessee. This 1,624 square foot brick and stone home is all on one level and features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Less than a year old, this property features everything that comes with new construction homes in Brandon Woods, plus a bunch of extras. There's not an inch of carpeting inside with luxury vinyl flooring in all the main living spaces and tile in the baths and the laundry room. The kitchen is decked out with an extended island, granite counters, undermount lighting, and a tile backsplash. The garage is ready for anything with this specialty epoxy coating recently applied to the floors. We can't forget the outdoor living spaces. The 10 by 14 covered back porch is wired for television and includes an extended concrete patio. The grass is beautiful with a complete sod yard, and the vinyl fence is brand new. To summarize everything there is to love about 327 Moccasin Trail: great location in Brandon Woods, all brick one-level living, practically new, built in 2023, all the features of other new construction homes, plus a ton of extras. We already told you that this house is better than new, but even better than that, it is ready now. If you're looking at new construction in Brandon Woods, you're probably waiting till December, January, or even later until you can get a house in this neighborhood. So if you want more info, give us a call or send us a text on our real estate hotline and we'll help you out.